Hi, if you are looking for the best tools that will help you put your two videos side by side, you must try to use BCut. BCut is a video editor that supports video ratios such as 4:3, 16:9, 1:1, 9:16, and 3:4. Also, it is designed with a simple and intuitive user interface that everyone can use it without having any difficulties. To start, launch the program on your desktop and choose which aspect ratio you want to use. Click Import File to add video file that you need. Drag the two videos into the timeline and arrange it according to your choice. Also, you can edit your video by adding overlays, filters, text, transitions, and elements. Once done, click the Export button to save the video on your computer. And that is how you use this program. For more information, don't hesitate to visit the program's official website at www.bcut.com. Thank you guys for watching.